Look how cute he looks.
Wow, look at that.
Hello, little fella. Hello?
Try and pet him.
Okay.
There you go.
Ah!
Careful, those things carry rabies.
I'm losing my grip. Nuthead.
Come on, boy.
Ah!
Hey, what are you doing? Hey. Hey.
Oh, rude.
Dino, perhaps we should feed him some acorns. Maybe that will calm him down.
Yes, of course. Let's go now.
That's it, Dino. Slip him the acorns. That's it, my boy. Ah, there you go. See, you got a new friend now. What are you going to call him?
I'm gonna name him Nuthead.
Oh, fantastic.
Now we just need to sneak behind him and get him.
That's it. Look, he's distracted. Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, Dino, there he is. He's distracted.
How am I gonna jump that?
Well, 1, 2. I'm going to take a leap
I'm
for
gonna
it.
take a jump.
1, 2. Oh! That's right, son. You are going to be part of our new kill collection.
Yeah, we're gonna chop your head off and put it on the wall.
What the heck is that?
I don't know. But he's calling his mate.
Ah, who's that? Shut up.
What was that sound? My buddy's calling me.